Going on, guys? Got a GE washer, and the residents saying whenever they set the temperature to cold, the water doesn't get cold, and it is really hot on warm and hot. So it tells me that the water inlet valve is bad and it's not allowing any cold water in. So got it unplugged, and there's 3 screws you want to take off. One right here, one in the middle, and one right here on this end. Okay, I got the screws out of the back of the panel, and I also unhooked our water hoses. You gotta shut the water off, and right there is where they hook on the back. There'll be a little bit of water comes out, but nothing crazy. But so once you have your screws out, your hose is unhooked, and the water off, of course, tilt it forward, slide it to the right, and lift it up off, and right there's your water inlet valve. Got 3 harnesses here to unplug. It's pretty easy to remember: red, white, blue. So we'll just unplug those. And then we got 2 screws right here and right there, both 1/4 inch or Phillips. And then we got this clamp right here we want to slide off. Pull this through and grab the clamp, and while you're squeezing the clamp, you want to be pulling the inlet valve to the left, away from the hose and the clamp. So I'm going to need 2 hands for that. We'll pull that off. Alright, we got the old inlet valve out, a little bit of water. Here's our new one. Here's the GE part number. It's the WH number. It's the triple inlet valve. Alright, here's our new one. Go ahead and set that in place here. And I'm going to hook the hose back up here first. Then we'll mount the screws and hook the water lines back up. Alright, got the hose back on, got it in place. Now we'll just drop in the screw. Alright, got it all mounted. Now your wire harness. Red, white, blue. And your hoses for the back. Cold is on the right. This one's cold, this one's left. So we'll hook those back up. Alright, got the hoses hooked up. Now I lift the panel up, and these 3 little inserts here, drop those down, and you want to slide it to the left and just push it back. You'll feel it snap into place, and then you just want to insert the 3 1/4 inch screws on the back, 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. Alright, got our screws back in, got the water back on, and we got it plugged in. So now we're ready to test it out. Got it set for warm. Just put it at normal. And then you just want to check your temperature, so you can switch it to cold. Make sure the water gets cold. And then do the same thing for hot. And you're good to go. That's replacing a triple inlet valve on a GE washer. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.